Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, as you can see on the screen, and we are continuing our Binary Options Academy projects here with one of the most simple but effective strategies, and one of the oldest, by the way. I'm talking about market geometry and trading based on market geometry. Now, market geometry goes with a bit of advanced stuff as well, but here the purpose of this mini educational series, part of our Binary Academy, is to introduce to you to the basics of binary trading with market geometry, or market geometry with binary trading. First of all, market geometry, it should be mentioned, that represents looking on the left side of the chart, or taking all the information from the left side of the chart and trying to project them on the right side in order to find important support and resistance. Hence, in order to find places to buy call options if you think that the market is going to move to the upside, or places to buy put options if you think that the market is going to move to the downside as well. Now, for example, this is your Australian dollar US dollar daily chart, but not only here. Let's go back in time and try to identify where the market is going or heading. For example, the absolute high that the market made was here in what? 1.10 area. Now, market comes in the 1.10 area and then forms a what? Forms here a contracting triangle, a consolidation pattern that breaks to the upside in a corrective fashion. Well, where would be the logical place to look for resistance when the market is moving like this? Well, this was a nice resistance that is confirmed on the right side. So this would be actually a nice place to go and buy put options based on market geometry. But let's move on and keep these levels with us from this moment on. And then moving on, the market moved to the downside, but as you can see, the previous consolidation area was a triangle in here, and this triangle actually hesitated every time what was here, 102. So every time the 102 level has been tested before the break higher, and then every time the downside here was what? 0.97, 0.98. So 0.97, 0.98 and 102 level should provide, or should be exactly the same resistance or support. Projecting those areas, so we already know that information from this moment of time, projecting those areas on the right side, and we can actually trade binary options based on simple market geometry. What would you do when market comes and moves aggressively to the downside for the first time into this area? Remember, it is a daily chart, but the same analysis and the same principle can be used on the 1 hour chart, on the 4 hour chart as well, no problem. So we want to buy call options here. All the time we should take into consideration the time frame that the analysis is being made, and in this case it is what? It is the daily chart. So buying call options here, you will buy them either with end of day and you count on a retracement of the candle, or you buy them end of week expiration date most likely, or even end of month expiration date. For end of month expiration date, it doesn't mean that you have to wait for 1 month in order for your option to expire in the money, but it is merely a couple of days, or maybe 1 week if we are in the second half of the month. Why not? And then the market dips lower here and closes below your area here. It closes below your area here. Well, definitely this means that the support level it is broken, so we are not buying anything here, but we want to buy a call option here as this support holds on the first test, and this would be a winner. Well, then the support is being broken, and now everything above turns into being resistance. So we would like actually to try a put options on the day by the time the market goes here into resistance. When the market squeezes then again to the downside, breaks the resistance level here, so we buy the put options in here on this candle. Probably is going to end up in the money here, but then with the resistance being broken, we would like to buy call options on support here. We would like to buy call options on support here. We would like to buy call options on support here, and so on and so forth. Stay tuned for the second part as we'll move on with the examples, and also we'll introduce concepts like amplitude. Stay tuned please for the second part. Bye bye.